Next up, long distance for Phalanx. In this, we need to take the tracker from the dead drop in Vondel Zoo, then use 3 UAV towers in Mazrah while carrying the tracker, and finally place it back at the dead drop at the zoo. This is quite a loaded mission, but we'll go ahead and do it now. So in order to do this, we need to head into Vondel first and grab this item. So it's literally just running in, grabbing it, and running out. Nothing more, nothing less. I'll take in maybe a sniper and a pistol, and we'll search. So we'll need to head to the Vondel Zoo dead drop first. Alright, so now that we spawned nearby the zoo, we'll need to head into it and to the dead drop right over here in D7. It's great that we spawned so close, so we'll need to go in, grab it, and leave. Okay, so speed running this quickly, we'll search the dead drop and grab the GPS tracker inside of it. Now, we'll need to go ahead and exfil wherever that may be. And now we'll simply extract with our item. Sweet. Then we'll need to infill into Mazrah. We need to go ahead and activate 3 UAV towers while carrying this. That's super simple. We just need a car, drive around, activate 3 towers, and exfil. Okay, so now that we spawn again, we'll just need to find a vehicle and get our way to some UAV towers. So there's the first one. Now we'll quickly activate this and continue. The next one we'll go to is here. This one will be a bit more populated though. There's number 2. And finally number 3. Let's do this one. Then after that we need to head straight for the exfil. Alright, we'll quickly activate this and head straight for the exfil. And there we go. Now we're extracting. All we need to do now is head back to the zoo dead drop on Vondel and place it back in there to finish off this mission. Pretty simple. Okay, so now we'll deploy back to Vondel, keeping the item in our inventory, and head straight for the zoo dead drop. Okay, we spawned a bit far from the zoo, but we'll try and get there as quick as possible. So with this GPS triangulator in our inventory, we'll head back to the zoo dead drop, hopefully safely. We'll need to go ahead and place it in, just like that, and the mission should be complete. Sweet. There's the second one in here if you want to go sell this, but anyways, long distance is now complete. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.